Hey you guys, it's your girl AdoreDonnie. Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while, but today I will be showing you guys how I got this twist out and reviewing the Plentiful hair products. So, let's just go ahead and jump right into the video. So I'm going to start off with co-washing my hair with Plentiful's Amino Strength Sulfate Free Co-Wash. As you can see, this co-wash is very creamy. It's not too light or too thick. It was super easy to distribute through my hair. What I like most about this product is that it did moisturize my hair and it was easy to detangle my hair with. Next product I'm using is their Amino Strength Deep Conditioning Treatment. And as you can see, the product is super thick. So if you do not like thick deep conditioners, then this product is not for you. As for me, I love thick deep conditioners because as you can see, my hair is super coarse and I feel like deep conditioners are the best thing ever for my hair. Deep conditioner is supposed to promote hair health and scalp wellness, as well as stronger hair growth and soothe an itchy and dry scalp and add softness and moisture. I will say that my hair was soft after using it. Since I was in a rush and this wasn't my first time using the products, I just went ahead and added the deep conditioner to the co-wash. That way I can speed things up. And yeah, with both the products added, it was super easy to detangle my hair, and both products did leave my hair super moisturized. I didn't necessarily get that clean feeling that I was looking for, but yeah, my hair did feel soft and it did look a little shinier after using the products. So as you can see, when I detangle my hair, I detangle it in the shower because I have high porosity hair. So once I hop out the shower, my hair is going to dry up. So I need that constant water so I can quickly detangle my hair. I also use a detangling brush and I start from the bottom and work my way up. And then after I detangle it with the brush, I go back and detangle it with my fingers to see if I got all the shedded hair out. The brush that I'm using in this video is okay. Like, I would rather use a diamond brush, but when I went to the store to look for a new diamond brush, this is all they had, so I'm working with what I got. After detangling my hair, now I'm going to go in with their Amino Strength Curl Defining Softening Lotion for curly and coily hair. This product is supposed to activate and define curls. It's supposed to reduce curly shrinkage. And it's supposed to help tame frizz and help repair split ends. I wouldn't be able to use this product for a wash and go because it doesn't define my curls how I want them to look for a wash and go. But it is a good product for my twist outs. After I apply the styler to my hair, I add a little oil to my hair to lock in the moisture. Now it is the next day when my hair is fully dry. All I do is add a little bit of oil before I separate my twist. So that is it for this video. This is how the look came out. It's super fluffy and defined. If you want to know more about the Plentiful products, the link to the product page will be down in my description box. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, like, and comment down below. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.